All right,
y'all ready for the next one?
Round? All right.
They don't get nastier and nastier as we go. All right. Now, this lady coming to the stage, man. Tonight she's going against one of the guys that almost won one time, and he kind of go. All right. And she got some shit that I know she finna come out the woodworks with. Y'all go ahead and give it up for my girl, Miss Timely Rain. Yeah, give it up for the ladies tonight.
All right, y'all keep that same energy up from my boy Matt Jolly Rogers. Let him hear it.
Let's go, man. Well. All right, man. We're gonna let ladies go first tonight, man. This is gonna be a nice one, man. Y'all come in a little closer for me. Come in a little closer for me. All right. Don't touch belly buttons. We gonna roast in 3, 2, 1, go.
You look like if the guy from the comic book store got laid once.
You look like a British chimney sweep.
You look like if one of the Beatles ate too much.
You look like the girl with the disgusting tattoo.
Which one? You look like if Hagrid was in IT.
You look like you have Kentucky mouth.
I don't know what that means. You look like if Santa Claus worked at Whole Foods.
You look like you chew on wood to keep your teeth from growing.
That one hurts. You look like if a penguin lived in a desert. I knew that wasn't gonna work.
You look like your teeth are made of drywall.
You look like you shuffle your feet when you ask for pussy.
You look like you trade loose teeth with your friends.
You look like you brush your hair with an Xbox controller.
You look like Rat-Tat-Toothy.
You just gave me a new tag on my joke. Thank you. Let's see. You look like the only pickup game you play is cleaning your room once a year.
You look like a calcium deposit.
You look like when you order a pepperoni pizza, you slip up and ask for nipples.
You look like the tooth fairy didn't want your teeth.
You look like you could be my dad or my mom.
You look like your teeth are older than you are.
You look like your jolly's a redhead too. That's about his penis.
You look like every dentist visit is a cavity search.
Are these all about my teeth? You look like you cut off your own umbilical. You look like you cut off your own umbilical cord.
You look like guys are afraid to ask you what that mouth do.
Because they know already. You look like you work security for family reunions.
You look like 10 out of 10 dentists have never met you.
You look like the caramel part of a candy apple.
You look like Monday Addams.
Y'all go ahead and make some noise for our girl Tiny Rain and Mr. Johnny Rogers.
That was a close one.
That was pretty damn close. Y'all look like y'all fell in love playing Guitar Hero.
What song?
Oh shit, y'all cut each other.
Police are running over my head.
Please stop. You're leaving heroin residue on the microphone. Stop. Shut the fuck up. Head ass. Y'all. Just because it looked like she on heroin don't mean she on heroin. Damn, lighten up. The fuck?
I've been sober for a year and a half.
See? Yeah, my bitch doing right. She got department manager at Walmart now. It's my girl. She like she run the hell out of a Buc-ee's.
Where else are y'all gonna take a fucking shit? Like, I have to make a living somehow to I'll tell you jokes at night.
God damn, I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. I'm gonna get on your ass too. Y'all look like a failed lot lizard relationship. That's what it looked like.
She's the trucker, I get it.
She's the trucker. Burn, knocking hole down. We gotta get this bitch going, man. Only one can advance tonight.
Oh yeah, they were. I forgot.
All right, man. If you want to see my girl Tiny Rain to the next round, go ahead and make some noise.
Okay, all right. If y'all want to see Matt Rogers go to the next round, make some noise.
Time to rain to the next round. Appreciate y'all, man. Y'all give it up for Jolly, man. Y'all give it up for Tommy Rain. God damn. Girl power. That's that pussy power right there. That's what that was. That was nice. I should play some, what's that girl name? Big Lotto. Some pussy power music real quick.
They both look like they got tattoos at the carnival, don't they?
She always eat the food out his beard. They so fucking cute.
Bro. Why it look like her mom got way too backstage at a Kid Rock concert?
How the fuck did you get back here, Nancy? It was my
9
teeth.
months later.
Hell no. Oh shit, man. Y'all ready for the next round?